Let us chant Brahmana. Om. 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 Santi, Santi, Santi.
Yes, students, in this session we will do the revision of genetics, long questions, short notes, differences and objectives. The three long questions we will discuss, that is sex determination and inheritance of sex-linked traits, that is red-green color blindness and hemophilia. Now let us start with the revision of sex determination, the long question, 7 marks long question. You may be asked is describe the chromosomal basis of sex determination in human, Drosophila, honeybees and birds, in specific animals. Then what you will write down? You have to give a generalized introduction, then the animal wise, that sex determination animal wise, about which animals it is asked. In in the introduction, you have to give the definition of sex determination, sex and sex chromosomes. What is sex determination? The establishment of sex through differential development in an individual at an early stage of life is called sex determination. Then what is sex? Sex can be defined as, okay, the biologically sex is an aggregate of morphological, physiological and behavioral characteristics which differentiate a male from the female. Sex chromosomes. What are sex chromosomes? You have to write down. What is that? During the course of evolution, the genes for sexual characters are segregated into the specific chromosomes called sex chromosomes. Like this you have to mention. Then discoveries. Hank King discovered the X chromosome in the male bug and named it as X body. Stevens and Wilson, they discovered independently discovered the Y chromosome. They have given the chromosomal theory in 1905. Okay, then sex determination in human you have to start, as it is asked about the human at first. In human, which type of sex determination is seen? The chromosomal basis it is given means it is you have to mention the genic balance theory in Drosophila. Okay, chromosomal basis means what are the related to chromosome, means how the sex is established in relation to the chromosome or chromosomal basis. Okay, in human, XX XY mechanism, single gene effect and sex reversal you have to mention. In XX XY mechanism you have to mention the terms like males are heterogametic, male, it is male heterogametic, males are heterogametic, this one. Then females are homogametic and females homogametic. Why the males are heterogametic? Because they have the heteromorphic sex chromosomes X and Y, heteromorphic. Okay, remember. Homogametic because they have the homomorphic sex chromosome 2 X chromosomes, is it? And then the males produces 2 type of sperm and females produces 1 type of egg. Then you have to do the cross. In the cross, do not forget to give that small cross in between male and female. Then when you show the gametes on the left, you have to write down gametes. Then after doing the cross, the offsprings, there you should mention the male, female and you have to write down offspring. And what else? The main thing is that the sex of the offspring is determined by the kind of sperm, because it is the male heterogametic. Okay, that you have to mention. Kind of gamete. Here, kind of sperm determines the sex of the offspring. Sex of the offspring, that you have to mention. Okay. Wherever it is asked, you have to mention the what kind of gamete. Single gene effect, the Srygin. About you have to write down about Srygin. Srygin, and that how Srygin present on Y chromosome. If Srygin is present along with the female genotype, that is normal female 44 plus XY, 44 plus XX with female genotype, then it converts into, the female converts into a sterile male. Or if the normal 44 plus XY genotype, male genotype, without Sry, what happens? Without Srygin, then the individual develops into sterile female. And Srygin is the sex determining region Y, present on Y chromosome. And what it regulates? Srygin that encodes the testis determining factor. One protein, testis determining factor. That's why the Srygin is important to develop the, means it influences the development of testis. If it is present, then it develops the testis. If it is not present, it suppresses the development of testis. Single gene effect over sex reversal, you have to write down the before puberty. If the castration or ovarectomy, orchidectomy or ovarectomy is done, then the secondary sex of opposite characters are developed. Artificial removal of gonads, if it is done before puberty. Sex determination in Drosophila, you have to mention the again the XXXY mechanism or ligase type. Okay, you have to mention here. Yes, how you will do the cross? By taking the exact number of chromosomal complement. Male is this, in case of man, male, and female 44 plus XX. By taking the actual chromosome number, you have to do the cross. In Drosophila, what is the chromosomal complement? 6 plus XX or 6 plus XY. By taking the actual chromosomal complement, you have to do the cross, not AA plus XX, AA plus XY. Genic balance mechanism is given by, who is given the genic balance mechanism? Kelvin Bridges. About whom you will write down? Kelvin Bridges. In Kelvin Bridges given the genic balance mechanism in 1926. Given the theory of genic balance mechanism or genic balance theory. According to this theory, X by A gives the ratio of number of X chromosome and number of set of autosome determines the sex of the Drosophila, the fruit fly. So, X by A determines the sex, where the X carry the genes for femaleness and A carries the genes for maleness. And you have to give the examples, different ratio, sex index ratio in the table form. Okay, 0.5. You will get the one more question also from this. You see here we have discussed the scientist name. These are important for 1 mark question. Important for 1 mark. Important for 1 mark. Okay. The ligase type. This is in XX XY mechanism, also known as Ligus type. This is also for 1 mark. And about the single gene, when the 44 plus XY, an individual with the 44 plus XY without slicing develops sterile male, or about the sterile female it is. And if this chromosomal complement without with the slicing, then develops into sterile male. Chromosomal complement with the stri develops into sterile male. These are one more question. Okay, who is given the genic balance theory? Calvin Bridges. That is one more question. Here also one more question. Just remember. Then come to the gynandromorph. Some fruit flies occasionally obtained, they exhibit both male and female characteristics. These flies are known as gynandromorph. Gynandromorphism was first discovered by who discovered? Again, it is the point to write down in the long question as well as important for 1 mark question, and to which terms I am telling important for 1 mark question. Even while writing the long answer, you should underline, okay, to focus it, to emphasize it. Okay, you have to underline this. Who discovered the gynandromorphism? Bridges and Morgan. Bridges and Morgan first discovered the gynandromorphism. Here, why the gynandromorphism is occurring, or why the gynandromorphs are seen? Because of non-disjunction of, this is due to the non-disjunction of X chromosome at cleavage. X chromosome at cleavage. In the early mitotic division of the embryo, the primary mitotic division, that is cleavage. During that time, if the non-disjunction of X chromosome occurs, then the gynandromorphs are developing. Single gene effect about the transformer gene. You have to mention transformer gene. The tra plus and tra. What are the two alleles? Tra plus tra. When the female fly with the normal genotype 6 plus XX along with the homozygous recessive, this is recessive, homozygous recessive tra or homozygous recessive of transformer gene, then it develops into a sterile male. But the female, the male with homozygous recessive has no effect. Even any male or female with heterozygous transformer or the homozygous dominant transformer gene has no such effect. Sex determination in honeybees. Haplodiploidy mechanism. 3 castes are there. Queen, the workers, and the drones. Drones are developed from the unfertilized egg parthenogenetically by the process of parthenogenesis, whereas the fertilized eggs develop into the females when the female larva is fed with royal jelly, then it develops into a queen, fertile female queen, and when it is fed with the honey, develops into the sterile worker. That you have to mention. And do not forget, mostly what you used to do, you are writing a male bee, female bee. It is not correct. Male bee, female bee means female bee is also, the worker bee is there. So, when you mention the female bee and male bee, it is female bee. Means there is worker bee also there. So, it is not the correct way. Male bee, female bee. You should mention the drone and queen. Definitely you have to mention drone and queen. And ploidy is like this. Here what is the chromosome number? 16. N equal to 16. So N equal to 16, N equal to 32 you have to write down. And here a small cross mitotically and meiotically it produces the eggs like this. And fertilization you have to write down here fertilization, and this is without fertilization. Twin, this one is larva, female larva. Okay, even you may get the genic balance in short node gynandromorph, short node single gene effect, means you have to mention both about the single gene effect in case of men and in case of the Drosophila. About both the men and Drosophila, single gene effect of which is seen in men due to slicing, and single gene effect in Drosophila because of the transformer gene. Both you have to mention even in the short node. Okay. Then haplodiploidy mechanism is also important for 2.5 short node. Sex determination in birds. What are the mechanisms? Sex determination mechanisms. The ZZ ZW type and the sex reversal. ZZ ZW type, here what is this one is female heterogamety. Female heterogamety. This is the female heterogamety. Females are heterogamic, you have to mention, because of they are having two heteromorphic sex chromosomes and produce two type of eggs. Whereas the males are homogametic because of having two similar type of, they have Z and Z sex chromosomes, similar homomorphic sex chromosome, and females are having Z and W heteromorphic sex chromosome. Males produces similar type of sperms, whereas the female produces different type of eggs. And so the kind of the egg determines the sex of the offspring. You can take the example of cock and hen. Cock and hen. What is the genotype? Chromosomal complement 70, yes, 76 plus ZW and 76 plus ZZ. By taking the actual chromosomal complement, you have to do the cross. Sex reversal, that in the birds, as we know the birds, you have to mention the left ovary is functional. If it is damaged due to some reason and removed, then the rudimentary right ovary develops into a testis and starts secreting the male sex hormone, influencing the development of secondary sex characters of the male, that is secondary sex characters of the cock. This is all you have to mention in the 7 marks long question. And as I told, these are important for the short notes also. Okay. And suppose any one mechanism, XXXY mechanism of sex determination, like that. Some probable short notes of 2.5 marks. What is bar body? The inactivated X chromosome is known as bar body, discovered by Murray L. Barr. Who discovered? Murray L. Barr. The inactivated X chromosome is known as bar body, named after the scientist. Actually, first of all, what is it may be asked is also the dosage compensation. Mary F. Lyon established the dosage compensation. Geneticists believed that the genes present on X chromosome must be compensating to equalize the expression in male and female, because in females there are 2 X chromosomes and in male only one X chromosome, but the expression is not double in the females. It is equal in males, male and female. So the geneticists believed that some compensation mechanism might be occurring to equalize the expression of the genes present in X chromosome. That is expression might be equal in both male and female. So for this some compensation mechanism is going on. So Apollyon, first Mary Apollyon established the compensation mechanism. He found the compensation that one X chromosome only remain active and another X chromosome remain inactivated. The inactivated X chromosome was later discovered by the Barr, Murray L. Barr, and named it Barr body. Okay, in the normal female, how many Barr body? Yes, 2 X chromosome, 2 minus 1. 1 remain activated, that's why 1 Barr body. In Turner syndrome affected, Turner syndromes, how many Barr body? 1 minus 1 equal to 0. In Klinefelter syndromes, Klinefelter syndrome affected persons, how many Barr body? XXY, that is the 44 plus XXY, that means 2 X chromosome. Okay, that means 2 X chromosome, 2 minus 1 equal to 1 Barr body. In super female, how many Barr body? 3 X chromosomes. In super females, 3 X chromosomes. So 3 minus 1 equal to 2 Barr body. But in normal male, no Barr body. It is the Barr body generally found in the diploid cells of the female, in the normal female. Okay, gynandromorph we have discussed, seen in the fruit fly, Drosophila melanogaster, discovered by the scientists. Who are the scientists? Bridges and Morgan. That due to the non-disjunction of X chromosome, non-disjunction, this is 1 mark question also, non-disjunction of X chromosome at cleavage, X chromosome at cleavage. Again I am repeating, remember 1 mark question, short note. What is the single gene effect? You have to mention in man, human and Drosophila, that is Roy gene. That how the single gene determines the sex of the individual. Even though chromosomal complement is the normal female, then also the sex is changed. And in case of Sry gene, in case of human, in human, and transformer gene in case of Drosophila, you have to mention. Transformer gene on 3rd autosome in Drosophila. In Drosophila melanogaster. What is the pre-Martin? Yes, seen in case of cattle. Many times you are doing one wrong thing. Which animal is pre-Martin? The sterile female calf is called the pre-Martin. But when it is asked, pre-Martin is seen in, means it is seen in cattle. Seen in the cattle. When the twins of opposite sex are born, then the female calf becomes sterile and it is called pre-Martin. It is due to the common blood circulation and the production of male hormone first, which suppresses the female sex characters. Explain haplodiploid mechanism of sex determination. Already we have discussed. Okay, write a short note on sex reversal. You have to mention of the human as well as the birds. Already we have discussed in the long question. What is chemotactic sex determination? It may be asked as the explain sex determination in Bonellia viridis. It is also important for 3.5 short note of long type question. Means the group C question. The chemotactic or simply chemotactic sex determination or chemotaxis as well as. Okay. So it is seen in case chemotactic sex determination is seen in case of Bonellia viridis, the marine one, and the male and female are they show the sexual dimorphism. The male is very minute and female is very huge, large, about 10 to 15 centimeter. The female is developed when the larvae are reared in the water, free water, without any gravid females, without any females. If the larvae are reared in the presence of females, then the larvae develop into the males, because the female secretes one chemical called bonelin and secreted from the skin of the female, and because of that chemical, the larvae are attracted and enters into the proboscis, and eventually they migrate into the female reproductive tract. Within the reproductive tract, the larvae develop into male, remain as the rudimentary, in the rudimentary stage, rudimentary male. But they are fertile, and so the males produces gametes and the female also produces gametes. Then again the fertilized eggs, they are released from the female and develop either into male or female as per the condition, as per the environment, whether in that water the female is present or not present. It is the matter of the determination of the sex. Chemotaxis, why it is chemotactic sex determination? The attraction of the larvae are attracted towards the chemicals. This chemical is toxic for other species, but not it is rather fragrance and make attractive to its own species. Okay, what we have discussed, the objectives, some are written over here. Write down. How many bar bodies are present in a man with Down syndrome? Down syndrome man is having the chromosomal complement 45 plus XY. That means X chromosome number is 1 minus 1 equal to 0. No bar body. Name the gene located on Y chromosome. Hollandric gene. Which caste of a honeybee is produced parthenogenetically? Drone. Okay. According to genic balance theory, if the sex ratio is 0.6, then what is the sex of the offspring? Intersex. Name the gene that encodes testis determining factor is the SRY gene. XXX0 mechanism of sex determination is also known as protein or type. Who proposed the genic balance mechanism? Kelvin Bridges. Gynotomorphs develop due to the non-disjunction. Days of X chromosome at cleavage, that means non-disjunction. Even if it is given, gynotomorphs develop due to the non-disjunction of X chromosome at what? At cleavage. It can be asked in 3 ways, or non-disjunction of days at cleavage, X chromosome. Chemotactic sex determination seen in Bonellia viridis. It may be asked for chemotactic or it may be asked for Bonellia worm. Even it can be written as Bonellia worm. Sex reversal in birds occurs due to the DAS factor, hormonal factor. Okay, practice in detail from the given PDF question bank.